What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews. Now, on occasion, I get tons of different items in, and today is no exception. I have two devices from the company Aukey. This one over here is a 10,000 milliamp hour wireless charging power bank, PD delivery 3.0 and 3.0 quick charge. And then over here, I got the big boy. This is a universal power bank. This is also a 3.0 PD delivery and a 3.0 quick charge. We're gonna open up both of these and we're gonna see what we think about them. So let's check them out. So first things first, I gotta get these unboxed. I have not seen these yet. Sit that one down. Paper to the side, and then I'll just cut that open, get that off, paper to the side. So first off, we will start with this 10,000 milliamp hour right here. So extra slim, streamlined looking, very simplistic packaging. So get all that, put that to the side. Now, I like the way this looks right off the bat. You got your wireless charger up top, and you got your ports right here. Notice we got micro USB, USB Type-C, and our USB-A, that's 3.0 right there. Let's check, see if we got anything else in the box. Nothing but a charger. So in the box, you get USB-C to C. Put that to the side, the boxing. Now, this one is kind of heavy. So just to give you guys a heads up, this one does have a little weight to it. See what else we got in here. USB-C to C. So two USB-C to C cables. And this one comes in its own travel bag. Pop that out. Now, this one is heavy. This is a brick, guys. This thing is heavy. Caution, only accepts power input via USB Type-C. So keep that in mind. USB Type-C is going to be the power supply for this. Don't try to power it through that A over there. USB Type-C 3.0, USB-A 3.0 as well, right there. Now you can see out, in and out, and out. So this is going to be the one that you charge with. PD charging, 26,800 milliamp hours. Let's see if we get some power. Oh, there we go. We got 3 bars out of the box. So out of the box, we got some juice. And this one, power is on the side. Let's see if we got some juice. Looks like we got some juice. So right out of the box, you do get some power on these things. Now, 10,000 milliamp hours goes a long way, guys. When you read the instructions, it actually tells you how to activate your wireless charge mode. Right now, it's in PD mode. That light flashes. We're gonna turn that off. I'm gonna press it one time. Orange light comes on. Boom. There we go. Wireless charging. Now, notice it's saying 52 minutes. It's going to take a little longer. That's because at first this only starts out at 5 watts charging. And then if it senses that nothing else is connected, it's going to amp up to 7.5 and then 10 watts, depending on how much power your device can take wirelessly Qi charging. So just remember, read your instructions very well. There it goes. Now it says fast charging wireless. It sensed that there was nothing going on, so it changed to 39 minutes now instead of 52 minutes. So read your instructions always. Like I said, I've never seen these devices. You saw me, I opened them up, but wireless charge, quick charge, and micro USB right there. 10,000 milliamp hours on that one. And then this one is the big boy. It's heavy, it's big, but it's going to get you what you need and when you need it. Very shiny, nice form factor. I like the matte finish. It's going to hide those fingerprints because I'm used to putting fingerprints on my devices. But that has pretty much been it, guys. This one is pretty light over here. This is the 10,000. This is the 26,000. You can pick them up on Amazon. I'll drop a link below. This is their latest technology. So Aukey is doing big things in the charging world. Very slim, very portable, and you can charge up to 3 devices at one time. Same thing over here, 3 devices at one time. This one is a little more bulky, a little more heavy. This one is the one that's going to fit right down in your pocket. Very slim, very lightweight. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I'm going to drop links below to both of these. If you need some power on the go, these are your go-tos. Fast power charging, fast wireless charging, PD charging. What more can you ask for? The company Aukey has everything that you need. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.